Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. I got me a book 110 uh, to go over and check out and show you guys. Got it at the Walmart. Let's see, for $34. The 110 Folding Hunter, the classic, has a. I'll show you this here. It has 428C cryo heat treated stainless, lockback blade, and it says Buck Classic. So it comes with the sheath. It's a 3 3/4 inch length long, or 3 3/4 inch blade, 4 7/8 length. So I'm guessing that's closed. Weight is 7.2 ounces. Handle is Creo Clam epoxy with brass bolsters, genuine leather. So, let's see, Model Hunter has been, okay, so that's what it says. Folding Hunter handles are made from ethically sourced Creo Cam ebony and genuine hardwood that has been seasoned to provide nearly indestructible handle material. So, and this has the forever warranty. It has like a card saying the markings. Handles made out of natural products will find nature's own brand marks. In most cases, these markings are not flawed, rather nature's own design. Each one will have its own personality and distinct material. So that's, I guess, the cool thing about getting natural wood. So here's the knife itself in the sheath. So it comes with the sheath. So here's it closed. There we go. Alright. It's the other side now. I'll open it up here so you can see the wood. No, I don't really have many traditional knives. It has a nice strong click. You can see the grind marks. I think it's a hollow grind. Put it up here so you guys can see. Lock back, flip it over. Got the clip point blade, bolsters. Lock back that side. The inside here, check this out. It's got it's a pretty knife. Back spacer with the lock, back with the chrome inlay, or not chrome, brass all the way back. A lot of shine on it. Let's close it up. You see the back where it's brass and the steel. Clicks with authority. Really never really wanted the Buck 110, but a New Age Tactical did a torture test on it, and I was watching their channel, and it held up pretty good. It came out of the box sharp, real sharp. I've done nothing to it, so you can see it. And they put it down. They tortured it, and it did fine. It did real nice. They actually got their stamp. So it's not a very thick blade. As I was trying to find my micrometer, I bought one and I can't find the stupid thing. But it's got a thinner profile, like on how thick it is. But I did notice this is almost like it's not a sharp edge right here. Almost like if you wanted to scrape off what's that stuff? It's fire starter. What's that stuff called? Fire starter? Ferro rod? Like you flip the knife over, and it's almost got like a almost a sharp edge. Not at, like, you know how some knives say they have a 90. Like, this part's not 90. This part is got nice. I'm sure if you flipped it over, you could scrape off that ferrule rod. Do some size comparisons. Well, here's the sheath. Slides right in here. And it closes. So here's a belt clip. There's no clip on the knife itself, so you have to wear it with a belt. They have different, I've seen on the internet, different styles, sheaths. And I don't have it out, but you could buy quick clips, like, so you could one-handed open it, like you could flick it open right here. I don't know about flicking open because it's more of a two-hand open knife. Let's see, I'll show you some. It's a big knife. Here's another buck right here. Show you this one. Here's a more modern looking buck, but you can see that's about the same size as that, but this is more of a tactical. Both are clip point, but this is your granddad's looking knife right here. It's like nostalgic. Alright, so there's the size to a buck. This was a buck 8064. So you can see that's a large knife. Here's compared to the Mannix 2. Bigger than that knife. That knife's not such a small knife. How about here to the Ontario Rat 3KS. About this, bigger than that one. Oh, not this is not the Rat. This is the M16. Yeah, there's M16. The one that's the 3KS one, not the small one, but the bigger one. I'll do one more knife comparison. I'll actually count it out. And here's this is a Ganzo's take on the Rat one. So it's the same size as the Rat, but you can see it's bigger than the Rat. So very large knife. That's most likely why it's meant to be here's a buck canoe. I'll show you that one compared to it. There we go. Here's the buck canoe. And then, I don't know, I had this for years. Here's a old timer. Or is this Schrade old timer? See, actually, that one's bigger than that one. But there you go. You can see the blades look similar. Almost, well, not really. But there's a older style knife. But let's see. Do a count of it. Start it right there. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see, so 8.5 inches. Isn't that what it said? 8.5 inches. They didn't say what it was. Let's try to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5. 8.5 inches long total. So big knife. Let's go on. Here's something for you. Like I said, I got it at Walmart, but I popped it up online, and there it is. I got it for $34, and online they have it here, and they say add to cart to see what the price is. I was like, oh, so it's got 91 rating, 91 reviews, 4.8 reviews. Let's see if I missed anything. Not really. It shows you this one. This one actually comes in a box. Mine came in a blister pack. So I added it to cart to see what its price would be, and it'd be $34 if you would buy it. So and it comes with the buck knife folder, back lock folding knife with leather sheath, $34. So I'm not buying it because I already bought it, so I'm going to empty the cart out. But I just okay, so But that's how much it would cost if you were gonna buy it. Let's go back. Let's look at Amazon. I think it's more expensive on Amazon. Where are we at? This Amazon Prime. So book 110 knife. Amazon has it for that's the same one. They want $69. Oh, it has the finger grooves. This one don't have finger grooves. So I think this is it. Wooden. Looks a little different, but I don't really see. So I guess it'd be this one. Looks a little different, but maybe not. There we go. They want $54, so Walmart has a really good deal on it. So I picked it up at my store. So probably your option. You could do what you want to do, but I don't know. 34 at Walmart. So alright, what else? I think that's about it. I've been rambling on for about 12 minutes. That's about the. Oh, I guess I put a weight real quick. Let me put some stuff away. Let's go here. Let's move this stuff out of the way. Put it here. And I think the box said it was 7 ounces, so. Power on. And I read 207 grams if you're into that. Or 7.30 ounces. So, very heavy knife, but it is not in your pocket. It would be on your belt in the sheath, like that. So, and that comes like with a buck emblem on it. So, the knife itself's made in the USA, but the sheath is made in Mexico. They're not hiding it. It's right there so you can see it. But, yeah. All right, there's the buck 110. Let's see, buck 110, get you one, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. Alright, have a good day. Remember, like, share, and give me a thumbs up. Angelo's Edge. Bye.